am Nabanita Bhadra. Today we are going to describe our project of the course Microprocessor and Microcontroller Laboratory, which is a quadcopter named a SkyCargo emergency transportation drone. Basically, it's a quadcopter. Quadcopter is a type of helicopter or multicopter that has 4 motors. Now let me go ahead towards this drone and make you understand the working process of the drone. First of all, I am going to show you a device called power distribution board. A power distribution board is a printed circuit board that serves as the central hub for the power distribution. It receives power from the flight battery and distributes it to the other components like battery, motors and others. Here is the component named battery. Here we use the most common type of drone battery, Lipo 2200 mA of power. This will probably give a 20 to 30 minutes flight time. Now this power is distributed to the motor. Here we used 100,000 kV brushless motor that can run independently based on the power that is given. 2 motors run clockwise and 2 motors will run anti-clockwise to generate the specific thrust. The motors provide the spinning motion to the propellers, which allows them to push off the ground and provide lift. As a drone gains altitude, the propellers need to deliver more lift, which prompts the motors to run faster.
I am Elma Kamona. Here comes the most important part of the quadcopter, the flight controller. It is a specialized electronic device that controls flight operations. It is called as the brain or CPU of a drone. Flight controller receives input from the user and translates it into commands for the drone's motor, sensor and other components. Here is the component named ESC. It regulates the speed of the motors powering the propellers. This will be responsible in actually providing that amount of current so that the motor can run on the specific speed.
I am Oyeshee. This device is called transmitter. With this device, we will be able to control this drone, increase the thrust and make sure that how the drone actually moves. The transmitter moves signal to the receiver. These are the channels of the transmitter which controls the movement of the drone. This is called throttle, which moves the drone upward and downward. Now come to the pitch, which moves the drone forward and backward. Another channel called roll. With the help of roll, we can bend the drone left or right. And yaw, another channel of the drone, yaw will help to rotate the drone left or right. The receiver is responsible for receiving signals transmitted by the pilot. It captures the commands and relays them to the flight controller, allowing real-time control of the aircraft. Here is a little demo shot of our project SkyCargo Emergency Transportation.